Hello my friend, this time I'm going to show you to IKEA step stool BEKVÄM with article number 401 788 88 and I'm going to show you how to assemble it. This is a step stool that makes it easier to reach things you store high up. Handhole in the top makes the step stool easy to move. It is made of solid wood, which is a hard-wearing natural material. It's smart to store things high up, but sometimes it's difficult to reach them. The step stool makes it easier to reach things highest up in cabinets, and it's also nice to look at. This is my kids' lowest stool. They use it for playing and to get closer to sweets. Have a nice watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below this video. I will try to answer you.